Yes, welcome to my channel, Know It. Of course, you must know everything in the world of digital transformation. Yeah, sorry, I know they do politics, yeah. So, I said in my last video that I'll be educating you on some career path in information technology. I will make my videos simple, clear, and short so that you don't spend much time here. You don't consume data a lot because data is very expensive in this country right now. So, I will be limiting my discussion to web development. Web development. Okay, what do we mean by web development? It is the use of programming languages. Okay, highlights the word programming languages. It is the use of programming languages to develop an interface. Yes, so the use of programming languages to develop web interfaces. Okay, to develop web interfaces which is accessible to people across the world, right? It comprises with images, videos, graphics, and a whole lot. Okay, now let me make it simple. Okay, there are three categorizations of the web development career path. One, you can be a front-end developer. Two, you can be a back-end developer. Three, a full stack developer. Front-end, back-end, and a full stack developer. Now let's take it one by one. Point one, front-end. Who is a front-end developer? As the name goes, front-end. Anything in front of you is what you see. So when you visit websites like chelseafootballclub.com, because I'm a Chelsea fan, what you see, the graphics, the images, the tabs, the buttons, the location, the addresses you see on the website is the front end. IFN. You see this website? It's nice, isn't it? It is catchy, isn't it? So the things you see on your mobile phone, the images you see, the videos you see when you visit a website, is what you call the front end. And there are specific languages for the front end. Yes, I'm telling you, there are specific languages. Programming languages for the web front end. Now let's talk about the back end. Listen to the back end. Simply means the things that goes on behind the website that you don't see. When you click a button on a website, how the button responds, how the link works is actually back end. Those ones you don't get to see it with your eyes. I'm telling you, you don't get to see it with your eye. But there are languages for that back end. You get me? You visit a website, you see a button like call us or contact us. You click on it. Indirectly, it moves the number to your phone. Then you dial, it calls. How does it work? You visit a website, you send a message, it goes. There is something going on over there. There is an engine, which is a back end. And then we have the full stack developer. The third point, full stack. Listen to the name, full stack. That means somebody who can single-handedly develop the front end, back end, and add certain features like what? Database, integrations. It could be communication, network. Did you hear me? So if I'm able to develop a website, or if I want to be a website developer, there are three things I need to know. Three categorizations: front end, back end, and a full stack. The front end is what you see: HTML, CSS, JavaScript. These are the basic languages for a front end. HTML, hypertext markup language. CSS, cascading style sheet. And then JavaScript, JS. I'm sure you've heard of these names before. I'm sure you're familiar with these names before. Okay, so if you are to master a front-end development career path, these are the 3 basic languages you must know. As I mentioned earlier on, HTML, hypertext markup language. 2, CSS, cascading style sheet. 3, JavaScript. Okay, so the HTML basically is about the skeleton of the website. So if you write a code, okay, in HTML, it just appears on the desktop or mobile phone as some disorganized work. Okay, so it's just like the skeleton of our human body. But what beautifies the website or the web application you are developing is the CSS. Though there are some features in HTML that can style the skeleton, which is the body, the raw body of the website, but the appropriate language to use to develop that website, to make it beautiful, to make the appearance so beautiful in a way that it is eye-catching to the client or the customer, is the CSS, cascading style sheet. That is what is used to beautify the website. Colors, sizes, pop-ups, how to style your buttons, how to make it glow, you know, a whole lot of features in that style sheet. Do you get it? A whole lot of features in that style sheet, cascading style sheet. Then we have the JavaScript features such as supposing I'm developing a form, just an online form, and I don't want my client to select a past date, okay, a date that is behind me. So today is 15th, I guessed, or 14th, I don't know, 15th. I don't want my client to be able to select dates that are gone, so like 13, 12, 10. I can use the JavaScript to deactivate the calendar in such a way that it will stop clients from selecting it. Yes. So basically, this has to do with the front end. Now quickly, let's move to the back end. The back end, what do we mean by the back end? We mean things that goes on behind the scene that you don't get to see. The email you sent to a website or the form you filled online, where did it go to? There is a server responsible for that, email server. It is back end. The way you're able to fill the form that you saw online, the information that are being collected, how they want it, SQL, database, PHP, they are all responsible. And there are a lot of frameworks for it that can help you do those work easily. Okay, so basically, we've spoken about website, the 3 categorizations of websites, or web development: front end, back end, and a full stack. We've spoken about the front end where you use HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Basically, there are other languages, fine. And then we have the back end: communication, network, database, data, whatever it is. You get me? So this is what you need to go into web development, whether on a mobile phone, a desktop, website, whatever it is. You just need these basic tools or necessary tools to venture into web development. Exactly. Don't worry, we'll take it up again, and I'm going to make sure that you dey bap what I talk. Make no fear, you go fit do one, and they do one. Somebody else they do one. You too, you go fit do one. You understand me? Make no shake. Continue to like, subscribe, and then share the channel, share the video to your friends, your colleagues, your partners, your kid brothers, your kid sisters who are looking to get into IT but do not know where to start from. You dey bap what I talk. Yeah. Keep sharing, you understand? I'll come back with more videos and then more field in IT. For now, let's stick with the web development. Then we'll take it up to the next one, okay?